Tell your neighbor, you see this 2022? I must create my own digital product because it will not pass me by. Neighbor, this 2022, I will start making $10,000 a month from digital product because it will not pass me by. Hi, my name is Nelly Abogu, aka NaijaBrandChick, and I teach you how to dominate and monetize social media. If you're following me for the first time, this page is all about African entrepreneurship, social media monetization, as well as business growth. These 7 digital products I'm going to be sharing with you, they are so uncommon. I know you already know about ebooks, courses, webinars. And you're asking yourself, what else is Nelly going to tell you? What else can she tell you? I've already heard it all. No, sis, you have not heard it all. Because with NaijaBrandChick, there's no fluff. In my last video, I mentioned that I'll be giving shout out to 2 business owners who actually put up a comment here and also shared it on their stories on Instagram. So make sure you watch to the end to know who these 2 business owners are. So I'm going to give you uncommon 7 digital products that you are not currently using, and I'll show you how you can make money from them, at least even up to $10,000 every month. So make sure you watch to the end. And the number 7 is the best. I swear, that one is sweet money. So, are you ready? Let's go! So, number 1 is access to you on an hourly time slot. Let me tell you, Bimpe, stop looking behind. You have passed through so many things in the past. You have really excelled in what you're doing now. People look at you and they say, wow, this girl has really done so well. And I want to pick her brain and understand. I wish she can give me 1 hour of her time. Let me ask her questions. Let me hear from her. Understand how did she do it. That is all. So, Bimpe, you have been depriving people from coming to you to ask you questions and get information that you alone can give them. Because it is you that have passed through that problem. Please, stop it. This is 2022, right? We need to change that mindset. Create a small link. You can use Calendly. You put up the time that you know you will be available. Give out that link and the person chooses their time, pays for your time slot, and then you have time for this person. It can be done through Zoom. It can be done through WhatsApp. It can be done through any platform you want and the person wants. Answer the questions. Listen to what the person has to say. Talk to the person for 1 hour. Solve the problem as it pertains to you. See, the person doesn't want you to come and tell them what is in vocabulary, dictionary, and all that stuff. They don't need that. They want to hear how did you, Bimpe, how did you solve it? So please do that. Today, take out time, go and look for a Calendly slot, create times for it, put up your Paystack or your Flutter Wave or whatever the case may be, take your money, put out your time and talk to people. Number 2, you need to start selling presets. See, I sold presets too. I sold 14 presets and a lot of people bought. I had over 7,000 people buy these presets. Yes, it came in my photo editing and my video editing, it's fine. But I've seen many bloggers and many influencers actually do sell just presets. You see those pictures that people like? Not your picture. When you take it like this, you're looking so fine. And you know how to use Lightroom very well. And Lightroom is free. And you know how to create your presets. That is what you need to start selling, Bola. Do it. Create your presets. Put it out there. You'll be surprised who wants to buy your presets. You know, you might not like, who wants to? Yes, we want to. Because we have admired your page so much. We wish that we can create content that looks like yours. We may wish that our pictures can come out so beautifully done like yours. And you already have the password. It's in the Lightroom preset that you have created. And you don't want to give it to us. Why? Why? So don't be stingy with all these things that you know. Create it. You can charge 5,000 naira. You can charge 10,000 naira. Anything that enters your mind. It is your digital product. Create it and then sell it out to people. And guess what? Depending on how good your followership and your audience is, they are going to rush it and they will buy it. So stop giving yourself another reason why you shouldn't make another extra money just because you're not so sure if people will buy. I will buy. Yeah, Chiwe, I will buy. So please create that preset today. Number 3, I want you to create a product where you allow people to get a mention in your email list or in your text list. What did I say? Create a product that will allow people to buy slots to get a mention in your email list or in your text list. See, it's not common. What people do is that they go on social media, they make mentions. But do you know that when you start mentioning people's names in your email lists, and these people are worthy readers, especially if your email list is a paid email list. Do you know the money you'll be making? Do you know the money you'll be making? Think about it. You're already creating a very beautiful email list with people who are like-minded like you, who buy your digital products, who love what you do, and they are there. They are there. All you need to do is somebody else wants to tap into your space, tap into your community. They ask you, can I get a mention in your email? So think about it. Create a product for that. You can charge one mention 10,000 naira. You can charge 20,000 naira. Nobody has the formula of the pricing because it is your thing. You're the one who knows how valuable your email list is. You know your open rates. You can share that with your customers. Say, this is my open rate. People always open my emails. So that way you can charge higher. Do you know you can go as much as 200,000? Yes, you can. It is your email list, okay? So why don't you, instead of always just having to just send them emails, you can tell and also mention people. If it's what you're good at, then go ahead and do it. Number 4, I want you to start selling printables. So what are printables? Let me tell you this cup. See this cup? Before you saw how this cup came, somebody actually sent me a printable version, the mock-up, the everything, how it's going to look like, and sent it to me. I said, okay, Nelly, this is how it's going to come out. This may look simple, right? It may look simple. But imagine if you have a work of art. You can put it as diaries. You can put it up on your shirts. You can put it up on stuff. It is a printable product. You put it out, showcase to people exactly how these things will come out and look like when it's actually in the physical form. So you can tell the person, hey, I'm selling to you only the printables. You can carry it to your printer to go and print it for you. You can carry it to somebody else to go and print it for you. Especially if you're an artist and you're very good in drawing. You're good in something that you know that is unique. Printables is your way forward. Create all the stuff. Then you now help us to see how we can fit it into a cup, fit it into a shirt, fit it into a cap, whatever the case may be. So think printables if you are into the arts and also be able to be creative with the kind of designs that you do, okay? People want to buy your printables. Please stop shying away from it. Number 5, sell simple softwares. You'll be asking, Nelly, where can I get simple softwares? Or what is even simple softwares? Simple softwares are like softwares that we can use on our social media handles, like those link in bios. You know, it's actually a software. So if you're using a link tree or you're using a tap link, whatever the case may be, people actually need help to help them to create that link in bio, design it, arrange it, and then not have any problem for the next 1 year. So now when you're selling such a simple software, you're going to bundle it up. You tell the person, okay, I'm not only going to just help you with the link in bio, I will design the templates, I will help you out with 1 year subscription of that particular link. I would put up all your links. I would direct people, show people exactly how everything, put your YouTube channel, everything in that link. And this amount is 50,000 or this amount is 25,000. So you're not just selling only the link, you're selling the bundle. Okay, if you want to learn how to get amazing, simple softwares that can help you out, go to JVZoo. They always come up with different softwares. You can look for one that is simple, learn it, master it, and then come and help somebody out. Come and help somebody out. My friend Choma of Accounting Hub does the same thing with her Sage accounting. So she's an accountant. She helps business owners to use the Sage software to actually set up their business accounting properly. So she's selling the software, the process of setting you up, training your staff and everything. And it's actually a bundle, okay? So think about it. You know how to use a software. You're so good at it. You know how to help people to set up. Then teach, create a product around it. It's a digital product. It's a digital product. Create a digital product and sell it. You'll be so surprised how people would want to come and, buy from you, okay? Number 6, sell makeovers for social media handles. These handles could be your YouTube, could be your Instagram, could be your Facebook, Twitter. Sell professional makeovers, okay? Let me give you a short story. When I decided to start my YouTube channel, I had someone help me out. His name is Dan, he's here, and he's also the one shooting for me. He helped me out to design and make sure that my YouTube page looks amazing. I don't know how to do that, and he knows how to do it. And he created it for me at a fee. So you too can also learn how to do these things. And you're good with, content creation. You're good in knowing the sizes, understanding how this thing is done. People are looking out for that. Let's go to Instagram. You know how to create amazing highlights. You know how to make sure that people's pictures are professionally looked. You know how to work on people's bio. You know how to do all that. But yet you're not charging someone for that makeover. You're doing it for free. No, you shouldn't. You need to start charging people to help them to make sure that their platform, the social media handle looks professional. You can also do that on LinkedIn. You can do that on Twitter, on Facebook. I had to take out time to learn how to do it on Facebook. And because I have created a professional look for my personal Facebook, I have grown over 20,000 followers or close to 20,000 followers in just 4 months. These makeovers actually help people to trust you, like you, and get to know more about you. So why don't you pay someone to help you to do that? And if you're doing it already, make sure that you start making people to know that this is exactly what you do, so that more people will tell others about you and you earn more money, and up to $10,000 in a month. Who says it's not possible? So these makeovers are not even hard to sell. All you need to do is to create a digital product on Seller and put it out there. Put out how many you can handle in a week, in 2 weeks, however the case may be. And then people will buy those slots. You meet them, you talk to them, and you finalize with them. So this is exactly what I need you to do. So you can actually sell tickets, sell anything with your Seller account. And this one is the one that I know you will love. It is sell your unique, did you hear that word? Your unique step-by-step formula. See. You see the way you make your own banana bread, the way you cook your own jollof rice, the way you do your own cake, the way you do your own dress, the way you make your own shoes, the way you make your own hair, whatever the case may be, that thing you are good at. And people want to learn exactly how you cook that pepper soup. Do you know that you can actually sell your own recipe, your own step-by-step process of something you do? It can be a watch me do it video where you show the person exactly why your own is different. People want exactly that thing you're selling, but they cannot get to you. Maybe they're in the abroad. Maybe they're in very far places, and they don't want to be paying for fees, transportation, logistics, and it's not even possible sometimes to pay for this. And they want to learn from you. Why don't you create that your step-by-step? Do it in a watch me do it videos and sell to them. Trust me, that one is a money printer. I use it a lot to sell most of my products. I use it to sell my banana bread. I use it to sell my coconut bread. And I make a whole lot of money from that. Watch me do it videos, show them what I'm doing, how I'm putting it, how it's rising, the temperature, every single thing, so that they can replicate my process wherever they are. See, what makes a good brand? It's not just the recipes. No. It is the brand, marketing, customer experience, and much more. So if you're scared that somebody will take your recipe, take your process, and go and start up somewhere, Trust me, they have already done it. So this is a great way to start up. Don't let this 2022 pass you by without creating an uncommon digital product. People want to hear from you. People want to buy from you. Bimpe, stop hiding. So as discussed last week, I will be sharing out to you 2 of my CSS, which simply means people who comment, who subscribe, and also share to their Instagram stories right here, and also trying to share back that love and also support your own business. So if it's something you're also interested in, also make sure you also share, watch to the end, and tell other people about me. So here is the first person, and here is what she does. And also, this is the second person and what she does. Please help me to patronize these people, buy from them. And also, if you want me to mention you in my YouTube channel, all you need to do is comment, watch to the end, subscribe, and put it up on your Instagram stories and tag me. You can be the next person I will be putting up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is NaijaBrandChick.